This video is a tutorial on how to use the 64-channel DALI backlight dimming module. This demo setup includes our system power module, the smart lighting gateway, and the 64-channel DALI backlight dimming module. This is the 220 volts power input of the DALI module, which is powered separately by a circuit breaker. It supplies power to the DALI module. This is the signal output of the DALI module, which connects to the drivers and lighting fixtures. Set the ID of the DALI module to ID3. Use the bus connector to connect the gateway and modules. Use a network cable to directly connect the gateway to the computer. After powering on the device, you can see that both the power indicator and bus indicators are on. Double-click to open the software. Click Search to find our gateway and modules. This is our gateway and module. Click the gateway, then click Import. Double-click the gateway address to view the information. Click Get Real-Time Status, and you can see the version information and online status of the gateway and modules. For first-time use, please initialize the DALI module first. Click the settings of the DALI module to enter the DALI debugging tool. First, click LAN configuration. Click Refresh. Select the corresponding IP address and device address. Then click Connect. Click Search Driver, and you can see the driver type and online status. Click Restore Factory Settings. This process takes about 30 seconds to 3 to 4 minutes. If more drivers are connected, it will take longer. This step is used to initialize the driver parameters. Then click Search Driver again. Select the driver ID you want to test and turn it on. You can adjust the brightness and color temperature, then turn it off. Click Blink and you will see the light flashing. This helps you locate the correct light when there are many fixtures. Click Stop Blink. Next is group configuration. Select the drivers you want to control and assign them to a group. Here we assign them to Group 2. Select Group 2, click Blink, then Stop Blink. Next is Group Control. Click Read All Status. Select Group 2, click On. And you can adjust brightness and color temperature. Click Off. Next is Scene Setting. Click the gateway IP, then click Add. Create Scene 1 or On. Select the corresponding devices and ports. Double-click the action. Choose Dimming and Color Control. Set frame time to 1 second. Set color temperature to 255, no change, and brightness to 100%. Copy Scene 1 to create Scene 2, all off. Only need to set brightness to 0%. Copy Scene 2 to create Scene 3, Natural Light. Set color temperature to 4000 K and brightness to 255, no change. Copy Scene 3 to create Scene 4, Warm Light. Set color temperature to 2700 K. Brightness remains unchanged. Copy Scene 4 to create Scene 5, Cool Light. Set color temperature to 6000 K. Brightness remains unchanged. After all scenes are created, compile and upload the program to the Smart Lighting Gateway. The yellow indicator on the gateway will keep flashing, which means it is restarting. Wait until the indicator stops flashing, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can start testing. Finally, we trigger scenes. Scene 1. Scene 2. Scene 1. Scene 3. Scene 4. Scene 5.